video, we are going to explain about an evaluation of machine learning for prediction phenotype studies in yeast, rice, and wheat. Introduction. Phenotype prediction is the physical characteristic of an organism that are predicted from a knowledge of its own genotype and environment. A central problem of genetics is to predict an organism phenotype from knowledge of its genotype and environment. This problem is now one of the highest societal importance. It is essential to predict breeder crop phenotype from knowledge of their genotype and environment. Three phenotype prediction problems are: 1. Simple and clear yeast, and the other, which are real-world problems, rice and wheat. Objective. The project aims to predict phenotype by using yeast, rice, and wheat dataset by using various machine learning algorithms such as SVM, random forest, lasso, ridge, and gradient boosting, comparing these performances with the existing BLUP algorithm. Phenotype prediction help in identifying growth of the organisms which help in medicines and crop breeding, and this prediction can be done by using genotype knowledge. Requirements of the project are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above are required. Python IDEL of 3.7 version is a software requirement for executing the project. Methodology. We have designed 5 modules to execute the project. First methodology is to upload the dataset. In this module, we are going to upload the dataset for the application purpose. And next we are going to pre-process the dataset features. Here we have the null values, so we are going to impute the missing values. Next step is to run all the 5 machine learning algorithms. In this module, we calculate rank for each attribute using all the algorithms, which are SVM, random forest, lasso regression, ridge regression, and gradient boosting, to compare which algorithm has performed better. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder. So this is the code folder. First file is of the dataset. Here we have the 3 datasets. First one is the rice dataset. This one is the wheat dataset. This one is the yeast dataset. So this is the main code file which has the Python script in it. This is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created the Windows bat file to execute the project. So double click on it to execute the project. So this is the graphical user interface with the project. With this we can interact with the program. So first step is to upload the dataset. Click on the button Upload Dataset. Select the yeast dataset for building the model. So the dataset is uploaded. Next we are going to process the dataset features. Click on this button, pre-process the dataset features. The dataset features are processed. Next we are going to run all the 5 machine learning algorithms. So here the executed machine learning algorithms. So here the ranks are calculated for all the attributes for different algorithms. This is the BLUP algorithm. This calculated the attributes ranks, and gradient boosting algorithm, lasso regression, random forest, ridge regression, and SVM. So now we are going to click on the button Average Ranking Graph. In this graph, x-axis represents the algorithm names, and y-axis represents the ranks of the algorithms. In this graph, we can observe that average of ridge regression, and it is performing well than the existing BLUP algorithm. Lasso is also performing well, but not more than BLUP algorithm. Average of gradient boosting, random forest, and SVM is very low among all the 6 algorithms. Now close this tab. Close also this window. Conclusion of the project. 3 phenotype problems, which are yeast and rice and wheat. been predicted using SVM, random forest, lasso regression, ridge regression, and gradient boosting. Comparing the performances with the existing BLUP algorithm, it is observed that gradient boosting, random forest, and SVM accuracy is very low comparing to all the 6 algorithms. Ridge regression performed very good than the BLUP algorithm, and lasso has also performed well but not than the BLUP algorithm.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.